Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start a topic which is quadratic equations. First of all, I would like to share some knowledge regarding what is quadratic equation. As you all know, equations means a mathematical statement like x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. It is also a mathematical statement, also an equation. So you have to see something. For example, what is the variable here? As we know, x is the unknown variable. Unknown variable. So we have to see one thing, that if the power of the unknown variable is 2, if the power is 2, it means it is quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. So let's come to the point that how to solve a quadratic equation. Keep in mind one thing, there are three methods to solve a quadratic equation. First one is the quadratic formula. The second one is completing square method. And the third one is factorization. These are the three methods by which we can solve a quadratic equation. So let's go to the solution. For example, if we have a question like 3x squared plus 6x minus 1 equals 0. So we are going to solve this quadratic equation, and we are using the method by using quadratic formula. First of all, let's see what is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is a formula like x equals, we can say, as x is a smaller one here. So x equals to minus times b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. It is your quadratic formula. Now, what is a, what is b, and what is c? What are these values? So a means the coefficient of x square, b means the coefficient of x, and c means constant. C is the third thing, which is constant. So let's go to the solution part. For example, for this given question, a is 3, b is plus 6 as the coefficient of x, and c is minus 1. You just have to plug in the values in the formula and you will get your result. For example, x equals to minus times b means minus 6 plus minus square root of, what is b square? B square means the square of 6. So let's put the values first. Then 4 times a. A is 3 and c is minus 1. Whole divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 3. X equals minus 6 plus minus square root of, now the square of 6 is 36, then minus this minus, multiply by this minus gives you plus, 4 times 3 gives you 12, 12 times 1 is also 12. Whole divided by 2 times 3 is 6 in the denominator. Now x equals to minus 6 plus minus 36 plus 12 is square root of 48 divided by 6. Now, do you know how to solve a square root? If you have been given a square root, how to solve it? We'll do it here. Like we have square root of 48. It means 48 can be done by the prime factorization, which says 2 times 4 and 2 4 times 8. 2 1 times 2 and 2 2 times 4. 2 6 times 12. 2 3 times 6 and 3 1 times 3. So 48 can be written as 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2, 1 2 3 and 4, and then 1 3 here. So as you know, we have a square root. Square root means there should be a group or a pair of 2. So we have 2 pair of 2, which is 2 multiplied by 2. We'll keep it outside. And inside we have an unpaired number, which is 3. So we'll keep it inside. So 4 square root of 3. It means square root of 48, when you will solve it, it will give you 4 square root of 3. We'll just put the values here as we were doing, like x equals minus 6 plus minus, instead of square root of 48, we are going to write square root of 4 square root of 3. 4 square root of 3 whole divided by 6. Let's take something which is common here. Like you can see 6 and 4 both are the multiples of 2. So we can get 2 as a common one. 2. What will be inside? 2 how many times gives you minus 6? 2 minus 3 times gives you minus 6. Then plus minus as it is. 2 times gives you 4. Then square root of 3 whole divided by 6. So 2 1 times and it will divide by this denominator 2 3 times. So we have minus 3 plus minus 2 square root of 3 divided by 3. This is the thing which we have at last. As you can see, there is a plus minus. It means we have a value one time as a plus and one time as a minus. So let's do it. Either x equals to minus 3. One time we will take plus first. Plus 2 square root of 3 whole divided by 3. Or we can have x equals minus 3 minus 2 square root of 3 whole divided by 3. So let's solve this. It is going to be x equals, so you have first value x equals minus 3 plus 2 square root of 3 divided by 3. It is the first value. Minus 3 minus 2 square root of 3 whole divided by 3. As you can see here, we don't have anything which is the multiple, like we have 2 and minus 3 in the numerator, which is not having a common multiple except 1. That's why we cannot get something common. So this is going to be your solution for the given quadratic equation. Like first we can have minus 3 minus 2 square root of 3 by 2, or minus 3 plus 2 square root of 3 by 3. It is your solution. Keep in mind one thing. As you can see here, that the maximum power of the x is 2. It means we will have two possible values for x. Two possible values for x. We can deduce from here that if the power of x is 3, it means we will have 3 possible values. If the power is 1, it means we will have only one value for x. As in the given situation, we have x power 2. So it means we have two different values for x. One is this one and one is this one. How can you verify your solution? In the original equation, like we have 3x squared plus 6x plus minus 1 equals 0. You can put either of the value, either this one or this one of the values in the given equation and solve it. If the left hand side of the equation gives you 0, it means your solution is correct. I hope you will understand. You will have some concept regarding how to solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. If you have any kind of confusion, you may ask me, or drop a comment here. I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much.